You have the rules in the Warsh recitation, which is the second most qiraat in the world, the rule called the taghleeth laam, the heaviness of the land. And what happens in the Hafs recitation, the only place where you make the lam thick is the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala if there's a fatah before it. So you say, Qul huwallahu ahad, and then say, Idha ja'a nasrullahi, so you make the lam thick, or you say instead of a. But if there's a kasra before it, alhamdulillahi, so you say a instead of the thin. And la, you have to say that thin also over here. So all the other places in the Hafs, you pronounce the lam thin. In the Warsh recitation, the other one, what happens is when you have a lam with a fatah, if there's a sword, ta and da in front of it with the fatah, then you pronounce the lam taghleeth. You pronounce it thick tafkhim. Taghleeth is the same thing as tafkhim, it's thick. So for example, so lota, you say in the Warsh. So lota. In the Hafs, you have to say so lata, which is a regular recitation. Well, akimis so lata, you say in the Hafs. In the Warsh, you say akimis so lota. So you say that because the sword is before the lamb, taghleeth lamb. And other examples, do lolna, you say in the Warsh, do lolna. In the Hafs, you say do lalna, but the Warsh, you say do lolna. And then mat la'i, you say in the Warsh. Mat la'i, you say in the Hafs. And you sa law, you say in the Warsh. And the Hafs says you saw la. So again, in the Hafs recitation, which is the most common one, always the lam is thin, la sound, a sound, except in the name of Allah. Allah, if there's a fatah or a dhamma before it. And but in the Warsh, you have other places where the lam is thick, where a sword, a ta and da is in front of it, and then you have the lam, the fatah. Then you pronounce it thick, solata, lolna, matala'i, and you solo. So those are examples for it. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.